Hello everybody, this is Peggy from Peggy B Designs, and I'm just trying to get this situated. Today I am doing an unboxing of my Boho Trio. Let's see, there we go, that I got from Walmart. I'm going to do an unboxing and a kit up because it only has 16 colors, 15,841 drills. It is a it's a 63 by 35 centimeter, which is 24.8 by 13.8 inches. That is the fabric size. The design is 55 by 27 centimeters. 21.7 by 10.6, and there are three little panels. So let's get into this. I'm dying to see it. I've had it for a little while. Here are the drills. We will look at them in a little bit. And the box on the back, it has all your instructions about how to diamond paint. Excuse me. If you're new to it, your kit content and everything. Let's look at the, let's see, where is, there it is. Let's find where it opened. This is, I guess, the companion canvas to the Boho Quartet. It's another. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna have to. This is another instruction sheet. The trash. Oh, okay. Piece of plastic. Let me. I think this is port glue. They usually are. Oh, come on. If I can get it. There we go. This was $9.88 at Walmart. This is a long one. Wide. I guess I would say wide because long it would be top to bottom. Like I said, it has 16 drills. We obviously have an AB or something, or maybe a, because we've got the 15 right here and then a separate one. So maybe we have a special. Look at that, isn't that pretty? I think I will do them by panels. I like that. Like I said, and my other one, sort of not into the boho thing, but these are pretty. I mean, it's like I could do one every weekend and save the other two for 2 other weekends. Got a pretty, okay, let's see if we can get some of these kinks out. I don't know if I think it's okay. I was going to cut the ring light on, but I don't think so. I think it'd be too glary. I like that. These are in like clear jars or vases. Got your flowers. This is the solid one. It's two different colors because there's a little bit right there, but mostly color blocking. But there is a lot of color blocking in the backgrounds. But yeah, that is so pretty. I like it. I wonder if they're gonna come out with any others. That would be cool. There is one I want to get. It is a dream catcher. Oh, it's so pretty. It's not boho, but it is a dream catcher canvas. Oh, I found. Where was that? Anyway, I had an ad, I think, on Instagram, and it was from another diamond painting company, and I can't remember the name of it, but it had a 12 set of canvases, maybe 30 by 40, 40 by 50, something like that. Not very large. I would think 30 by 40s. But they were in a box and they were completely flat, so you don't have to worry about them being like this. I love that. So I'm hoping to get those. I will let you know if I do. And then we'll have a non-boxing, and then we'll have 12 others to do, right? Okay, let's look at the drills. And let's see if that is a special drill. I don't even know where that would go. We shall see. How is everyone doing today? It is early. Well, let's see. What time is it? 8:30 Central Time in the morning. Okay. Well, by the way, because we're fixing to kit this up. You have your kit. You have. Let's get into it. I was just going to tell you what it is, but let's get everything out. If it will cooperate. You have your glitter pen with a single placer on it. Your soft grip. You have a pretty good size thing of wax, pink wax. And you have, other than the single placer, you have a, let's see, what they say, a 6 and a 3 and a spacer. That is to fix your wonky rows. There's your 3, the clear one is the 6, and there's your spacer and the boat. Your little tray. Okay, let's look at the drills. Oh, okay. We have, there's your extra, they're round drills, but they're larger. Where do they go? Oh, okay. We'll look at those in just a few minutes. Oh, I forgot to put the wax back in. Okay, right here. Right here. The little dots. Oh. See them? That's cute. There are 6 of them. I think that's the only spot. Yep. But you get a lot more than 6. Let's see see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of them. So if I'm a klutz, it's me. Alright. Now let's look at just the regular knuckle drills. Here is number 1. There we go. Okay, brown. We have 2 of those. Now, they have their own drills, so they make their own. These are not DMC colors. Quick glaring. People want to see. That's a pretty orange. Of course, in the camera it looks sort of like a yellow, but it's a beautiful orange. Oh, I'm glad I got 2 containers because it's going to take it, isn't it? Let's hope it don't take another one. I think I have another one. That was pretty. Oh my goodness, it's a glare. Hopefully this will, usually when it, you know, I'm showing it, it's like, oh, that don't look right, or glary, but when you rewatch the video, it looks fine. So let's hope that's the case this time too. Okay, those are different. Yeah, because that one is darker than that one. That is glary. I wonder if I put the thing on, would it help? Let's see. No, it would not. Never mind. Still a work in progress with this thing. And I am definitely going to have to, God, you can't even, is there someone coming up in the driveway? I might have to put you on pause. Look at there's four of these. That's the background. And the pretty purple. Okay. I have 2 of these. I think we're going to need another one. I wish I had another big one. Okay. Make sure I'm not getting any ones that's, yeah, there it is. That one don't stay closed. We will swap it. Okay. 3 might do. Alright. Oh goodness. There we go. And I do have my labels right here and a pen. Okay. We will start with number 1. I've got these. Let's see. And see how this is going to work. First time kitting up something with the overhead. What do I do with my scissors? Right here. Alright. We got 2 number 1s. Okay. Okay, one is, I have it, all I've done is numbered them. It is a solid circle And whoops. This is going to take a little extra time. I don't guess that was anybody coming up the driveway, or we would have already had a knock on the door. So we're good. We are good. Gotta get my trash can handy. Oh, where is my tray? That's the one thing I didn't get. Okay. One moment, please. Okay, tray, where you at? Ouch. I'll use this one. Just in case they spill. Okay. Well, that is full. Okay. Okay. Number 2. Get this open. I hope everyone is doing good today. Ooh, this is going to take 2 also. Okay, this one open. I'm going to do just going to do the numbers, and then I'll put these symbols in later. This is number 3. And 4 is really, there's a lot of this one. And this might take at least 3. Like I said, I had just opened it, so I did not know how many drills it was going to have. And it's usually definitely enough right there. Okay. That's pretty. I have a 4. Oh, well, at least we don't have any Don't look like we're going to have any static. I don't know if this is going to hold it. Yeah, it is. Good. Only took 2. Great. Nothing's really been happening in my life to this past week or whatever. I have almost got Andor finished watching. We got to wait till next week. Well, Wednesday or Thursday, I think, is when the last one. Oh, come on out. Come on, you can go. You went in the thing? Yes, you did. Wow, these are pretty full. Okay. But, oh man. And I said, I think one other time when I was talking about it, it was like, oh, the first 2 are like, almost, to me, almost cringe-worthy. But, as it went, oh my goodness. What you do, it's on Disney Plus. The first week you have 3 episodes. Next week we had 3 episodes. And then this past week we had 3 episodes. And then we'll have just the last episode. There's only 10. So we have 3 days of 3 episodes at a time. And then it's like, oh, what? Just 1? Come on. But, you know. And what's so bad is, if you've seen Rogue One, you know what happens to everybody. That's sad. Okay, 8. Okay. And they said he's, I don't know, it says that last few episodes made it non-canon. It's like, why? Means it didn't, you know, conform to all the other Star Wars movies or books or whatever they consider canon, going with the flow of the I guess storyline. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm not really up. That's not my forte. Really, you know, it's like I had to ask my son one time, like, it was years back, like, where do they talk about canon? I mean, I didn't see any canons in the show. It's just not that kind of canon. I'm like, oh, okay. This is going to take 2. Okay. But I said, well, why don't they just say it correctly? Come on. Use all these words. But it doesn't mean that doesn't mean what I heard that that word means. Like, okay, I'll get fancy with me here. I'm a non-fancy person. Alright. Oh, okay, that's. Let's say, what is going on here? There we go. Okay, 10. Just gonna put it down. Don't put the scissors down till you open it up. I don't know, it's sticky. I gotta clean my scissors. Oh goodness. Diamond Art Club, get it to me again. I saw what's coming out tomorrow. This is Friday. And they always have new releases on Saturday. I think they have them on Wednesday and Saturday. Oh, come on. You can do it. But, they have the Forest Goddess. I don't really know how to pronounce her name, but oh, it's gorgeous. It is so pretty. Yep, I want that one. Like, can I be one of the sneak peekers? I'll do a sneak peek. No. Unfortunately, not. Hopefully one of these days. I mean, I want that one. I want Studio Ghibli one. They have a Studio Ghibli Howl's Moving Castle canvas. Oh God, you're killing me, Diamond Art Club. Come on. Let's see, this is 14. Oh, here starts the 4. Okay, this is going to take a lot. I don't know, I mean, it's going to take. Get in there. I might take. Let's see. What do you think? 2 rows, or 2 containers per thing. That would be 8. Look. I got them. Okay. Let's. Keep it right there. Okay, I think it'll take a little more. There we go. Yeah. We're getting some great artists, I think. It is full. Okay. Oops. This might take a whole container for these, with these 4. But it is a lot of background. So, as my son always says, how many did it take? Yes. And we still have one container, one bag left of that color. And it's going to take 2. A little bit of static in that one. Okay, we had this one to go in the regular, and then 6 more little containers. God, it's a glare and a half. I hope this doesn't glare. Okay, 15. Where is 15? Right there. This one got crumpled. There we go. And the little extra one. There you are. The special drills, which is also crumpled. That's it. Here they are. That's cool. All right. Uh-oh. I put them in the wrong container. There we go. Didn't need that one. Thought I might, but we didn't. That's good. Now I'll do the labeling off camera, but let me know what you think. There is the drills. I love these little containers. They had 12 the last time I went. Like, oh goodness. I had to get other things. Yes, they're just $1.44, I think. $1.44 of a container. They had 12 of them. Oh goodness. But here is the 3 panels. That is going to be so much fun to do. I hope y'all like this unboxing and the kit up. and we will be working on it soon. So come back and well, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Then you'll know when I'm going to do another video, and it could be this one. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I hope you come back for my next video. But until then, have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.